So hi everyone, this is another video in this series, get to know your gear better, and this is the video about Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So if we swipe from the right of the screen, we have two modes, the automatic mode and manual mode, and underneath every mode we have some actually icons here. We will go through to it and know our camera more better. And first of all, the manual mode here, as you see, the icon here is not supported, but it's now on this because I need to change some settings in the camera. But what does this icon actually do here? Make your face softer. So this is especially with this camera. The Ace Pro 1 does not include this settings here. Here we have the styles on this camera. So you have many styles on this camera, and you can choose between a lot of these, and depending on, of course, the situation. One of the nice one that I found or tested, of course, orange and teal, but I think this one you cannot use it everywhere, but the thing that you can use everywhere, vintage or urban, and urban I found it the best one. Here you can choose, of course, if you wanna shoot manually your frame, and for the people that never maybe shoot or using the manual mode, this is a lot of work. That's why everyone or every creator on YouTube stuck to the auto mode. Of course, ISO, you can use the ISO to give the camera actually more light. And also auto balance, the white balance here, you can choose the white balance or also select the mode one or manual one and choose your auto balance. And medium here, you can choose your sharpness videos, low or medium or high. Of course, low, you can put it on low when you want to edit more extra in the post, of course. EV not supported in this way. And I will go now to the automatic mode. Automatic mode, it's actually just the same. Here you can tell the camera actually to focus more on the face priority. So that means wherever you go and there is a face in the frame, of course, it will focus more on the frame, or matrix. That is, of course, something that mean in general. The white balance also here you can select it or just select auto and it will choose it. And here also the exposure present, anti-flicker or getter blur. So here you can use anti-flicker auto exposure for correct brightness. So if you choose that one, use shorter exposure time to reduce getter blur, but footage will be darker, suitable for action scenes. So what's nice about these, actually, they are explaining everything. So depends on your situation or what you want. In matrix, here you can choose the mode that you want to, of course, shoot in. So as I mentioned, the matrix will be focusing about everything in the frame. Face priority, it will be, of course, detecting the face and focusing more about the face. This is the sharpness. This is the AV. The AV, actually, you can give the camera more light or make the scene more darker, but it's just not recommend to play with this one. And as I mentioned, this one still not supported, and the styles or mode is just still the same. There will be also a video talking about the styles in this camera, or some of these styles, and what I like in this camera. So if you wanna, of course, see that video, please go and check the playlist. Get to know your gear better. So I hope this video was useful. It was also a short one. I hope it was not boring. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.